What's up, you guys? It's your boy C8 Corey back with another video. So today we're headed to E5 Wheels in Miami. You guys know I had no plans of anyone sponsoring the car or anything like that outside of the sponsor I already have, but things just kind of worked out. I really like this company because they make products specifically for Corvettes, and I really support their brand, their story, and I really like it. And they got some really nice wheels, so we worked out a sponsorship, and you guys will see more later in this video. So shout out to E5 Wheels. I'm gonna put it somewhere in the video right here so you guys can go check them out, and stay tuned for the rest of the video. All right guys, we got the C8 going to the shop right now.